Yung audience parang, parang ganun po.
Hi, I'm Camille Piragsa, and today we are going to talk about Tomodachi Life, and let's see if what our fellow Lasallians think it's worth the hype.
So I'm here with
BIM, PSY 12 po.
Ace.
Nico, MMA 23.
Yes po. Sa TikTok po, recently yung mga edits po na parang may mga tao na nag-uusap and then parang yung audience parang, parang ganun po.
Yes, actually nag-surface mostly on Twitter, and ang dami kong nakikitang characters like from different fandoms when that game emerged. Kasi I played the old Nintendo, yung 3DS. I've really enjoyed the game so far kahit emulator pa lang na mo.
It's really fun. I played the original 3DS game. It's a really cozy game, and the new game they have on the Switch, it really adds a lot of new things that make it really enjoyable compared to the first game. Though some things were removed, but a lot of the new things they made really added it to the experience and still made it worth it.
Kung may enjoy po ng tao yung game na yon, I think yes naman po.
Personally, I don't want to buy a Switch for a single game. And for others naman, ayun. So, kung gusto nila bumili, sige. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo when it comes to like pursuing your hobbies.
It really depends on the person, but if you have the money and have the time to play, it's probably worth it.
Do you think it's worth the hype?
Yes, kasi nagigets ko yung appeal niya through the small amount of content that I've seen about Tomodachi Life. Kasi parang cute siya, parang I can see how it can be, kung paano siya nakakaingganyo sa ibang tao.
Yeah, I definitely do think it's worth the hype. You get to build your own world with your favorite characters, or minsan pa nga even your friends, family.
Definitely. It's been hyped since people have been waiting for a sequel since 2016, 2017. A lot of people have been wanting so many more out of the game, and people were really surprised when it was announced last year along with the Switch 2. It's really exciting.